The rise of authenticity in social media. What does authenticity in social media mean? Be consistent. Engage with your audience. Share user-generated content. Choose your trends carefully. If you have been a part of the social media world as both a creator and a consumer, you are aware that social media has been a platform of aesthetics and posting the best parts of your life or your business. A world where anyone can create a persona and present a carefully curated version of themselves that may or may not be 100% the truth. In this day and age, if you want to not only stand out but also make more meaningful and long-lasting relationships on social media, showing you or your brand's authentic side will be the key to success. What exactly is authenticity and why does it hold such weight in the world of social media? Simply put, authenticity is the act of being true to oneself and presenting a genuine, unfiltered version of yourself to the world, or in this case to your followers. In a society that is often plagued by superficiality and the need for perfection, authenticity is like a breath of fresh air. But how does this specifically pertain to social media? With the rise of artificial intelligence in the realm of social media, consumers are itching for some realness. Today, consumers are much more discerning and can easily spot inauthentic behavior. Therefore, it is crucial to carefully curate your social media content and communication with a specific tone to showcase your brand's authenticity and values. Some tips and tricks to keep in mind when posting on social media would be to be consistent. Posting with your core values at heart and being consistent across all platforms will help build trust with your audience and showcase your brand's authenticity. Having a social media management tool can help you stay on top of content planning, so that you can spend more time interacting with your community. Engage with your audience. Responding to comments, messages, and reviews shows that you value your customers' opinions and are willing to address any concerns. This open communication helps build a genuine connection with your audience and humanize your brand. Behind the scenes type of content provides a glimpse into the people behind the brand and can create a more personal connection with your audience. It also shows that your brand is not just a faceless organization but a group of real people with genuine values and beliefs. Sharing content provided by your customers and clients also helps strengthen your relationship with your clients and customers. Choose your trends carefully. Trends are a great way to bring a funny, relatable edge to your content. However, you don't need to post for every trend, as this can tip the authenticity scale a little too far. It is okay to sit out of the big trends if you feel it is not beneficial or aligning with your brand's value. There are a lot of trends that you can morph into your brand's voice, but if it does not feel natural, do not be afraid to skip out on it. It is absolutely essential to creating new and remaining current relationships with your customers and clients. Aside from authenticity, there are many other trends to be aware of in 2024, so stay on top of them and begin implementing them into your social strategies.